An essay on criticism by Alexander Pope is a foundational poem in English literature that explores the art of literary criticism. Written in 1709 and published in 1711, when Pope was just 21 years old. This work showcases his mastery of poetic form and critical thought. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, and I am Mehreen. Today in this video we are going to talk about an essay which was written by Alexander Pope, and that is called Essay on Literary Criticism. By the way, this is not an essay, it's a poem written in heroic couplet. The essay is divided into three main parts. I would try to make this essay quite easy for you people to understand it. So I was telling you that the essay is divided into three parts. The first part deals with the nature and purpose of criticism. Pope argues in this part that good criticism should be based on reason, not personal bias or fashion. He emphasizes the importance of innate judgment and the role of nature as a standard for evaluating literary works. The second part of this essay deals with right and wrong ways to write poetry. Pope criticizes those who judge poetry based on superficial qualities rather than its inherent value. He advocates for a balanced and moderate approach to criticism, warning against excessive praise or condemnation. Means कि ना किसी की बहुत ज़्यादा तारीफ़ की जाए और ना ही किसी की बहुत ज़्यादा कंडेमनेशन की जाए. मतलब that a critic must have a moderate approach to criticism. He must not be cynical और ऐसा भी ना लगे कि वो बहुत खुशामदी है. Part third of this essay deals with the characteristics of an ideal critic. मतलब कि एक critic को कैसा होना चाहिए, एक तनकीद करने वाले को कैसा होना चाहिए. He tells us in the part third of this essay. Pope outlines the qualities of a good critic, including knowledge, fairness, and a deep understanding of literary principles. He stresses the importance of self-awareness and humility in criticism. In this poem, Pope advises critics to be aware of their own limitations and abilities, recognizing that true judgment is hindered by pride and imperfect learning. Pope emphasizes the importance of deriving rules for classical poets like Homer and Virgil and of adhering to universal truths rather than relying on wit or ornamentation. This is very important to know क्योंकि Alexander Pope belonged to Augustan age, जिसमें it was time and again emphasized to follow the classical poets like Homer and Virgil. उस एज में सबसे ज़्यादा ज़ोर इसी बात पे दिया गया था कि क्लासिकल जो पोइट्स थे उनको फॉलो किया जाए, जिनमें रोमन्स एंड ग्रीक्स थे. That is why this age was also called Neoclassical Age. Pope also advocates for a balanced approach to criticism, warning against excessive praise or condemnation and emphasizing the importance of sound judgment and intellectual honesty. Pope argues that good criticism should be based on reason, knowledge, and a deep understanding of literary principles rather than personal bias or fashion. Now, a very important question arises that why did Pope write this essay? Why did Pope write this poem, an essay on criticism? Pope aimed basically to define the principles of good literary criticism and promote a more informed understanding of literature. Secondly, he used the essay to express his own literary values, such as the importance of classical models, reasons, and good sense in writing. Thirdly, the third reason to write this poem was that Pope targeted the literary critics of his time, who he felt were often more interested in personal attacks and fashionable opinions than in thoughtful evaluation. Fourthly, the essay demonstrates Pope's mastery of heroic couplet and his ability to convey complex ideas in a concise and witty manner. By writing an essay on criticism, Pope participated in the ongoing literary debate of his time, sharing his insights and perspective of the nature of literature and criticism. We all know that Pope had created so many enemies due to his satire. His satire was so cynical, so poignant that it could destroy anyone. इसीलिए लोग उससे भागते भी थे और उससे कुछ डरते भी थे कि कहीं पोप के ख़िलाफ़ कोई बात हो ना जाए, क्योंकि नेक्स्ट डे ही यूज्ड टू कम विद लॉन्ग and tricky type of satires with him, and it could destroy anyone's reputation. That is why he had many enemies. और उसने अपने उन enemies के लिए भी ये essay on criticism लिखा था, जिसमें उनको advise किया गया था कि जो criticism होता है that not must be biased or it must not be based on personal attacks. Overall, Pope's essay reflects his passion for literature, his commitment to critical thinking, and his desire to shape the literary landscape of his era. I hope in this video I am quite able to make you people understand this essay in a very easy manner. Still, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment box. But I am happy that you have been with me till the end of video. So, thank you for being with Mehreen for such a long time.